Alright, so we are back for another sound test, and we now have the TRN STM, which I consider in my unboxing to be really competitive with the KZ ZSN Pro X. So when I listened to the TRN STM, it did remind me of the Pro X, and they have their pros and cons. Let me know down in the comments below which one you prefer. And of course, big thanks to Luck LZ for sending this over. Links down below for their shop. So let's start the sound test now.
To make time for your feelings, but you have to admit I already do. Let's just break it down to you and me uptown, dancing all around till the disco ball pops. But I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced.